Bago yan, intro muna tayo. Steering wheel lights on. Problem.
Do not skip my video because in the middle I will share with you what is the minor cause of having the steering lights on.
ada main, ada positive, ada negative.
These are common reason why steering wheel lights on. Number 1, battery problem, low voltage or loose connection or alternator not charging. Number 2, fuse busted. Number 3, wire cut or broken. Number 4, EPS motor overheat. Number 5, flooded. Number 6, low fluid level. These are possible solution. Number 1, use scanner tool. Number 2, disconnect the battery terminal and fix it with 1 minute. Number 3, check fuse. I hope this video will be of great help to you.